What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Solana. We're sitting at $70. We're up 2.6 on the day. Same market cap 30.22 big. 25 volume 2.82 billion. So let's hop into the charts. Couple scenarios here for Sol. This could be the completion of the wave one and pullback in a wave two. But there is also the possibility that we put in one more higher high, because a possible count could be wave one up, wave two pullback. All of this is a wave three pulling back in a wave four, and then you would push up in a final wave five, which would create a higher high before coming down. Now, to invalidate that, if you have a 1-2, you can take your fib retracement down from the bottom of the two up to the top. If that were to be a 3, 50% at $58 would invalidate that scenario, but there is the chance. To me, it doesn't really matter. I don't chase the pump, so if it puts in one more higher high, it will eventually come down, and we look to take our long trade in the target zone. If you look at Sol on the weekly, super overextended. We're overbought on the weekly chart. Look how overbought we are on the RSI, the money flow. So it would be healthy to see that pullback. If we pull back to that target zone, $30 to $47. Currently, we have the 20 EMA at $42. So it would make sense. Come back to the EMA, even if we put in that higher high first. Come back to that support and then see continuation to the upside. Enter our next long trade in that zone and ride it up for the next wave, which is a wave three. As you can see, wave one to the upside, wave two, and wave three is the absolute best wave to trade in the Elliott wave theory. I just need to take this out. So that's what I'm looking at for Solana. You can have completely free access to my signals if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including US and Canada. Make your first deposit, get a 20% bonus into your futures account for my subscribers only. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. The minimum is $100. Email me to get the bonus, and as well as I'll give you access to my VIP rooms. Daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in the same place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX, or it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.